I'm here today to talk to you about air quality. So some problems that you can notice when you're talking about air quality is when your eyes, nose, throat, and skin are really irritated when you're in your house a bunch, like you have been with COVID going on. If you notice that you keep getting like red eyes when you wake up, and if you're just continuously coughing but nothing's really wrong with you, probably a sign that you have bad air quality in your home. Another sign is having respiratory infections, continuous sinus problems, allergies, and if you have anyone living in your home with asthma, they keep having asthma attacks and having to use their inhaler more than usual. If you have difficulty breathing also, these are all signs that you have bad air quality. Bad air quality can be caused by mold, bacteria buildup, allergens. If you have a beautiful garden in your front yard or lots of very pretty flowers that you keep in your house, they may contribute to pollen, and this all builds up in your ducts and makes for a little bit rougher, poor air quality in your home. Some ways and some solutions to make this air quality better in your home is to get some UV lights put in. We can do duct cleaning for you and go the extra mile and do some sanitation through the ducts afterwards. We can also put in a whole home purifier in your ducts and keeps everything flowing nice and good and with clean air in your system. The main thing is that you want to get the mold and the bacteria in your system gone, so you can breathe fresher, cleaner air. Thank you for watching the Spicy Saturday Show. I'm Evan Peppers with Peppers Heating and Air, and we provide results that last. Call today for us to check on your air quality for you.